how to send emails in Brevo. So first with your Brevo dashboard, and then just create the campaigns here at the left side. Okay. Next is just click on create campaign. And then click on email here. Okay, after that, just typing your campaign name. So for mine, I'll just typing campaign name example. Then just click on create campaign. Okay, now let's just wait for this to load. Okay, after this loads, just add all of your free recipients here. You could choose any of your recipients here from the drop down. Then click on add subject here to add a subject. Of course, you need to add your subject line since this is required. And then your preview text. And then as for you designing, if you choose any of the templates here, and then you could also add additional settings if you want. Then after that, just create on schedule. Either you send the email now or just schedule it for later. And that's it.